But our goal now is to make sure we get our tire pressure monitor systems installed and make sure that they actually sync up to the vehicle. We have 4 for the truck and 4 for the actual fifth wheel. So let's get to that now. So we're gonna see how easy this is just to press the particular monitor on the mirror. So as you see, all I did here is I pressed the actual truck. There's a truck and there's a trailer. I'm gonna press the truck. You've got a total of 10 monitors that can go on here because there are 3500s and up that have the dualies or the quad wheels on the back. So, sensor number 1. Let's see if this is as simple as it looks. Unscrew the valve stem cover. Attach the tire pressure monitor to here. Let's go and see if it registered. Not sure if it registered or not. So we came outside and we're trying this according to the manual, which comes, and it's a very color-coded, nice manual. Says you can power this through a power bank through USB Type-C cable. So that's what we're doing now to be close to our monitor. One thing we did learn on here is that when you go in and touch the monitor, you have to touch specifically in the spot where the ID shows up. So we'll show you that now. You see the tires for the truck, and it's very glary. So what we'll do is we'll touch this particular tire for the driver's side. And I mentioned over here, you want to make sure you press specifically in the area where the tire pressure monitor, it shows up as waiting. Install the tire pressure monitor on here. And it picks up Bravo Delta 7 Alpha 0 Delta, just that quick. So that one is installed. We'll go around and install them on the rest of the vehicle. To our rear driver's side tire, passenger side front tire. And there are some anti-theft devices on here, but we're gonna just install it right quick just to show you how easy it is for them to install. As you see, we have 4 additional monitors for our 4 tires on our fifth wheel. So now we'll install the batteries on them and get to work. And what we will do is take off our old tire pressure monitors. We'll touch the front tire auto learn. And again, before I could even get it on there, it was registered. Our next tire. You have each one of the tire pressure monitors installed for our 4 tires on our truck and our 4 tires on our fifth wheel. So trying to make sure I get some of the glare out of here. They're installed. Probably wouldn't hurt if I take this cover off. Let's do that and see if that helps. You know, a lot of people say this is the joy in videos. Ooh, now this is pretty. That is pretty. Did that help with the glare? Didn't help with the glare, but I can tell you it's a pretty screen. Why do we have nothing now? Oh, there's another one. Kind of sporadic how they're popping up. So our trailer is fully showing. All 8 tires are showing with the PSI. So that only took about 2 minutes to happen, but we'll see what it looks like when you have that. It shows you your, I guess, your average PSI on your vehicle and your trailer and your truck.